Hi there, welcome to Huson DIY. This is day 24 of the 25-day advent calendar from the Brew Company. Okay, so it's day 24, Christmas Eve, December the 24th. Excited. So, last couple of coffees now, we've got Brazil blend. This is the Brazil blend. This is an intensity of 5 out of 5, and it's a medium roast, low acidity, milk chocolate, nutty, orange and caramel taste notes. So this should be a nice coffee, I think. Right up my street in terms of what I like coffee-wise. But I've been wrong many times in this advent calendar about what I thought I would like and I've not liked. Yesterday's was another strong one, was the Latin America's blend. This is Brazil, so let's get it grinded, let's get it brewed and let's get it tasted. Okay, so here we go, December 24th, Brazil blend. Let's give it a go. It's nice. Very similar to the Latin America's one from yesterday. So this is a Brazil blend, so it's a union of two exceptional Brazilian coffees. So it's Brazil Coma de Minas and Brazil Minas Gerais. Probably not said them right, but yeah, really nice. Similar to yesterday, but it is, because it's the intensity of 5, it's like a lot more intense. Chocolatey, not so sure. It's strong though, really strong. I think you struggle on a full press yourself. It's really strong, but it's nice. You get like and it says it's nutty. It tastes quite nutty. That is one of the taste notes. It's low acidity, which is good. It's nice. I'm going top 5, maybe just creeping out top 5, top 6, but it's good. Nice coffee. Strong though. That'd get you going in the morning, that one would. So yeah, I probably struggle to drink that whole press, but it's nice. It's not too strong, I guess because it's a medium roast, it's not too roasted, so it's not too much both sides, but it's nice. So this coffee, the Brazil coffee, plus all the other coffees in the advent calendar and the advent calendar are available on the Brew Company website. There are links below in the description to get coffees and a 10% discount on an order on the Brew Company website, so use those links if you want to use those links. If you've got any questions about this coffee, about any of the other coffees, my coffee press or the grinder, let me know. The coffee press and the grinder are linked below in the description. They're from Amazon, so if you want to grab them for yourself, obviously use those links. Any questions, as I say, drop it in the comment section. We'll reply to all questions and comments. And if you want to follow for one more day, which is tomorrow, the big day, December the 25th, which is Kenya. Maybe hopefully they save the best till last, but Kenya is tomorrow. If you want to follow us along for that one more day and all of our Huson DIY projects, hit that subscribe button and we'll see you on the next one.